Take a ride in the 2015 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, full-size spare tire, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, fog lamps, front-wheel drive. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.